Welcome to Seagull's Mazda 323, here with another episode, update, installment, whatever the heck you want to call it. Today, block reassembly. And I'm at a special location here. I'd like to make you an introduction here to a special friend of mine.
What's up? I'm Kate.
One simply just doesn't get to pick the nickname. The big Gully comes around and picks it for you. You will now be known as
the Crow.
Dog. I work with Big Gully, and I'm the mechanic where we work, and try and do a little bit of mechanical stuff for him.
Excellent. So, as you heard, K-Dog's going to help me the Crow put this block back together. We're going to put the pistons in, all the bearings, check a few things. We'll step through it, do a bit of time lapsing. We'll stop and pause for some of the important bits, but essentially we're just going to slam this bad boy in, because a lot of the easier stuff, or harder stuff I should say, like facing, checking specs, has been done at engineering shops. We're just here to do the reassemble. So putting this hamburger back together. So Big K-Dog, the Crow, helps me a lot, and he also puts up with a lot of my crap too, so big shout out to him for helping me with this today. So we're going to step through this. First we're going to lay in the conrod bearings, is that correct? Crank shaft bearings, my mistake, we're doing the block, not the head. Head's done. Anyway, so crankshaft bearings will be put in. We will use a little bit of plexi gauge just to check some stuff there, so we'll walk through that. But anyway, most of this should be time-lapsed for your viewing leisure. Seagull's Mazda 323, and I'm not in the Big Gully's garage today. I'm on a special location down at my mate Chris and his garage, Muffler Madness, here in Browns Plains in Queensland. He's helped me out quite a bit, but he's also going to help me out just on the tail end of this engine block reassembly. Our workshop wizards back at work are extremely busy, and we're finding it difficult to get the time to finish it at work. So I'm just coming to this workshop today to finish it off and have a trained mechanic cast an eye over it as well. So if you need help, Chris is the man down at Muffler Madness. He is always busy though, so get in early.